Hello guys, today I'm showing how to cook rice with a rice cooker. It's very easy to follow and remember. I'm pretty sure you can make the rice perfectly every time from now on. Before I start, I'd like to mention a few important things. The golden ratio of rice and water is 1 to 1.1 or 1.2. For example, 1 cup of rice add 1.1 cup of tap water. However, if you personally prefer rice to be softer or harder, you can add little less or more water accordingly. We don't need to soak the rice for like at least 10 minutes or something. We can start cooking the rice right after it's been rinsed properly. Do not open the rice cooker lid right after you see the button has turned back to warm state. Leave it closed to steam the rice for another 15 minutes. Let's get started. I'm using long grain rice, but the way I'm showing now can be applied to any kinds of rice. I'm now measuring 1 bowl of rice. Add it to rice cooker. Rinse the rice 3 to 4 times until water is not murky anymore, but not too many times that will lose the rice flavor. Drain the water as much as you can. Using the same bowl to measure 1 bowl of water. Pour it to the rice. Measure a little bit of water in the bowl, then add it to the rice again. Now, this makes up the golden ratio I've mentioned earlier. That is 1 bowl of rice to 1.1 or 1.2 bowl of water. Now we just wait for rice cooker to do its job. After around 15 minutes, the button has turned back to warm state, but we still leave the lid closed and let it steam for another 15 minutes. Open the lid. Use a plastic or wood spoon to stir the rice. You don't want to scratch a nice rice cooker with a metal spoon, and this can greatly reduce the lifespan of your rice cooker. And there you go. You can see the rice is cooked perfectly. They do not stick to each other, even not to the spoon. The rice can be served in many different ways, like you can instantly use it to make fried rice without leaving it in the fridge overnight, serve with curry sauce, or serve with a soup. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.